Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to make a pie chart in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, in Word, go to the top and you need to go and click on Insert, then come into the illustration section and you can go and click on Chart. On the left you can go and select Pie and you can see the different options here. In this case, I'll just use the standard one and go and click OK. Hey, and here it is. So now you can come into this box at below the chart and you can go and type in the different data. Here you can choose what they're called and the amount. In this case I'm using marks, so I've gone and changed them on the left here, and then I'll go and type in the actual numbers here. Like so. I've now gone and finished it. And as you can see, we've gone and edited it. We can then close off this and you can go and edit the chart itself. For example, the title and other things as well.